Meaning of haberdashery.
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 Haberdashery. Haberdashery refers to a store or section of a store that sells accessories and materials used for sewing, such as buttons, zippers, ribbons, and thread. The term can also refer to the goods sold by such a store, or to the craft of sewing in general. Haberdashery shops have been around for centuries and were originally known for selling men's clothing items like hats and caps. Today, haberdashery stores often carry a wide range of sewing supplies for hobbyists and professionals alike, and may also offer classes and workshops on sewing and related crafts.